Just a reminder, this is not financial advice. This is not legal advice. Do your own research. I'm never going to reach out to you either in the comment section or through any other means to try to get you to invest in something that I'm investing in or to send me crypto. Some links underneath the video are affiliate links. I may earn a commission, but this is at no extra cost to you. Of course, do your own due diligence. How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Bitcoin just fell. We actually had good news this morning, right? I made a video talking about the good news, which I'll cover briefly, but yet Bitcoin fell. We fell from 91,400 all the way down to 88,000. Why is that? We'll talk about it in this video. If you don't mind, though, hit subscribe. I already played the disclaimer at the beginning of the video. If you want to trade crypto, check out BY We have this trade to get up to $10,000 worth of Bitcoin event. Everyone that signs up or has ever signed up through me can trade and get up to $10,000 worth of Bitcoin. The more you trade, the more you get. There's also a link to BTCC. We're doing this $1,500 USDT giveaway. Again, both these are linked in the link tree. Now, Bitcoin just fell. Like, why would this happen when we got good news? And what was the good news? Again, just covering the good news real quick. We had September core PCE come in below expectations. It came in at 2.8% versus the previous and expected 2.9%. Headline came in right at expectations. So overall, inflation lower, meaning the Fed is more likely to cut rates. This was good for traditional markets. They pumped up on this news. Same thing with Bitcoin. It went up. Now the traditional markets are calming down a little bit, selling off a little bit. And crypto is doing the same thing, but more aggressively, right? We're down like 3% or so on Bitcoin in a very short period of time. Why is this happening? Well, we saw a bunch of liquidations. 154 million in the last 1 hour, 420 million in the last 24 hours. So a lot of liquidations happening with really aggressive, maybe aggressive trades, people putting in 50Xs, 100Xs on the good news, thinking there's going to be a breakout. This is why I don't trade on 50 or 100X or anything like that. Low leverage is how I play it. As you can see on the 7-day, we're almost split evenly for like the next, $6,000-$7,000. Short and long, they're almost equal. Whether we go up 6,000 or down 6,000, we would see about the same amount of liquidations, but there are more liquidations stacked to the upside where if we start breaking through, really it starts to accelerate around 94,000, which is previous resistance. If we start breaking through that, we'll see in a very quick amount of time about $2 billion liquidated. Over the 30-day here, a lot more shorts stand to get liquidated if we go up versus down, right? I mean, we're talking about if we go up $15,000, we're looking at $13 billion worth of shorts getting liquidated. Now, obviously, there's manipulation happening right now, right? This happens because there are market manipulators trying to force out long positions. We've seen this a lot with Binance and with Wintermute sending crypto over to Wintermute, causing liquidations, and then Wintermute sending crypto back. They're just printing money over there. Now, as time goes on, this will affect the market less and less. We're already seeing a lot less manipulation this cycle, or the effect of the manipulation is a lot less compared to previous cycles. In previous cycles, we would see like a 5-10% move. It seemed like almost daily. Now we're seeing like this is a big move and it's 4%, right? We've seen Bitcoin just kind of sit between 80,000 and 94,000. And this has been the most exciting 2-3 week period that we've seen in a while, right? So keep in mind, like this is a long-term asset to hold. We're going into a higher liquidity environment. Lower rates should be good for Bitcoin, but there's going to be, quick moves up and down like this in the meantime. Just try to hold through. Let me know your thoughts on this. I just want to make a very quick video for you. A lot of people wondering what's happening, right? Why is this happening with good news coming out? Again, it's a mix of the general market calming down a little bit after being up 4 days in a row. Like traditional markets have been up and up and up, and just a little bit of manipulation from Bitcoin. As long as we continue setting higher lows, I think we're looking good, right? We've set higher lows, higher highs pretty consistently. We have some resistance around 94. If we break through that, could be a lot of liquidation. So be careful over the weekend, right? We could see some volatility. Funding rates are negative, meaning that shorts are actually paying longs, right? So usually pretty good sign that people are pretty aggressively shorting. But let me know your thoughts. I appreciate you guys watching. Just a quick video for you. I do have a selfish question, right? I've been getting more into bourbon. Before, I would just grab a bottle of Buffalo Trace and call it a day. But now I've been getting more into bourbon. I actually just picked up a couple bottles of Blands. If you're someone that's not into bourbon or alcohol, that's totally fine. Just curious, if you are someone that likes bourbon, what's a good sleeper pick that maybe is a little bit easier to get than Blands, right? Let me know down below in the comment section. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'll see y'all soon. Again, you can check out BYDeFi. You can check out BTCC underneath the video. And if you want to join the Telegram there, too. I've been talking to the whale chat about bourbon as well. Some people are giving their thoughts on that recently. Appreciate it. Talk soon. Bye.